Hi there all my Glama beauties. In this video, I wanted to show you what all 10 wefts of the 240 grams 24-inch Bellami hair extensions looked like in my hair. Enjoy! So I think I figured out how to do it. I've got the hair in. I've got every single weft in my hair. I actually like it. I've always heard them say I don't have all of the hair in because I don't need it. But I'm not sure I did it right. I still need more practice. This is my first time ever, my first experience ever with extensions. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's beautiful. I need to learn how to blend it in a little better still. I need to learn how to wear them still. But this is my first time trying, and I wanted to try them with you and show you how I did it. Or not how I did it, because I'm not going to take them out and try it again, but let me know down below if you would like a tutorial on how I put in my hair extensions, and hopefully by then I will be better at it. But let me turn around and show you what it looks like. I hope everything looks good from behind. I haven't even looked at it. So this is what it looks like. Yay! So pretty! Let me see if I can get up on the bed so you can see just how long it is. See? Wow. That's about how long my hair was. So yeah, before I dyed my hair and everything. So this is my new hair. Yay! And once my hair grows out, I can stop wearing these hair extensions. I still may wear them later for just to have more volume in my hair. Like I said, let me know down below if you would like a tutorial on how I put in my hair extensions, and like I said, hopefully by then I'll be better at it, because I'm sure there's areas where maybe it shows that you can see that they're hair extensions. I don't know. Yay, I'm so excited. I love it. I've got my hair back. Alrighty guys, I love you. Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone that you come in contact with. Bye. Mwah.